Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig, George and Mommy Pig in the rain. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw Mommy's nose, then the shape of her head. The eyes with eyelashes. I draw a circle for her cheek and her mouth. Her 2 ears. Now I draw her body. And her 2 arms. In her hand, she is holding an umbrella. I draw her 2 legs. Finally, I draw her curly tail. Now I draw George's nose. Then the shape of his head, his eyes. I draw a circle for his cheek and his mouth. On top of his head, I'm drawing a rain hat. Now I draw his body. He's wearing a raincoat. And his 2 legs with boots on his feet. Now I draw Peppa's nose. Then the shape of her head and her eyes. I draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw a rain hat on top of the head. I draw her body. She is wearing a raincoat too. I draw her arms. I draw her legs. She is wearing boots too. Now I draw the ground. I finished the drawing part with many raindrops. The weather is really bad now, and the little piggies would be soaking wet if Mommy Pig does not give them the umbrella. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I'm going to use pink for Mommy's skin. Light pink for her cheek and red for her mouth. I use orange for the dress. Now I'm going to color the umbrella with the color of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, and now let's color George Pig. I use pink for his skin, light pink for his cheek, light orange for his hat and his raincoat. And red for his boots. Now let's color Peppa Pig. I start with her skin pink too. Light pink for her cheek and red for her mouth. Light orange for her hat and her raincoat. And light blue for her boots. Now I use orange and yellow for the door. Green for the ground. And I finish the coloring with some blue for the raindrops. Great job!
Wow!
Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video!